you, sweetie.
Oh, Nonnie, thank you. Oh, it's pink. Can we put it on the tower? Oh, it smells pink too.
Sure.
Yeah.
You get it on real nice people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pink is good for nice people.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Nonnie, that's a special place you put it.
Sure.
I like how it rests there.
Baby.
Yeah. I wonder what would happen if we put another one on top of it.
Maybe it'll turn into green.
That is a wonderful suggestion, Nonnie.
Okay, sweetie. Dee Dee.
I'm gonna stop interrupting.
I wasn't interrupting.
Yes, you said cough.
I didn't. You don't say cough.
You
say cough?
It.
You said you save it. Oh yeah, that was good, Nonnie. Yeah, you did it again. You interrupted again. Yeah, you interrupted again by saying cough.
Cough.
Anyway, Nonnie ignored the guy.
Okay.
I'm more than just a guy.
This guy? Aww.
Yeah, ignore the guy and focus on blocks.
Thank you. I'll just not interact at all.
Good.
I
That
like
might be better
him.
for
I like him.
Nonnie, but he's not a raccoon.
What is he?
I don't know, this some guy. Ignore him. He bothers us when he coughs.
Oh.
All right.
It's a pretty bee.
I'll just be over here.
Now, back to the show. Nonnie.
Yes, dear.
What?
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Tone. Boop, 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 boop.
Very
Nonnie.
good. Very good.
Do. Nonnie, dance with me. Oh, bum, bum, bum. Boop, boop, bum, bum, do. Dum, bum, bum, dum, 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 bum, bum, bum. Dum, bum, bum, la, da, doop, doop, ba, ba, doop. Sing, 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 song to song. Sing a song or two. La-di-da, la-di-do.
Baby.
Do-do-da-da-do.
Good, pretty baby.
Yeah, that was a little special dance we had, Nonnie.
Yes, honey. You like your pretty.
Oh, that feels so good, Nonnie. Oh, I feel I'm floating on a river of Nonnie love.
No, I don't think so, honey.
Yes, I'm bobbing up and down, Nonnie.
Oh.
Look, I'm bobbing on the river.
Oh.
I feel so special.
But you know what? There's not a whole lot of good of that place, because they have a whole lot of places that you can't go. You can't.
You can't just go wherever you want to.
Because it's really hot, and you got it, and you got.
Yeah, you don't want to get too cold in water, Nonnie. If you get too cold in water, you start coughing.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right, baby.
I don't like it when it's too cold.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I like having it warm. Yeah.
You too.
Yeah. Warm like the womb.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty baby.
Okay, back to tower.